through the ladder so that we can rescue the casualty. The team, as you can see, our St. John ambulance team is ready to take the casualty. As now we do collaboration with St. John na wengine. Our county fire and rescue team has responded and recorded a total of 386 incidences. That is more than 2 per day. We have how many days in a year? 360? But we have responded to how many? 386 in 1 year. I can break them down. 277 were structural fires, wildland and bush fires. 46 road traffic accidents, 6 drowning cases, 4 special service emergency aid cases, 3 vehicle fires, 2 gas explosions, and 2 flood and search rescue operations. Among the reported cases are 20 fatalities related to road traffic accidents, 20 fatalities related to structural fire, 14 bodies have been retrieved from the water bodies, wells, and pit latrines. Umesikia nimeongea ya kujinyonga. So ya kujinyonga haiko hapo. And so far in the last 3 years, we have 487 people ambao wamejinyonga Nyeri hii. So you can see. So disasters are there. I am also cognizant of the fact that when a disaster strikes, minutes matter. In fact, it is not even minutes, it's seconds. Because seconds could be the difference between saving a life and losing a life. And therefore, it is our duty to put in place systems that are not only responsive, inclusive and technology-driven, but also accessible, efficient, and reliable. I am proud to officially today launch our disaster and emergency toll-free hotline 1549.